Actually going to make a video this week. First up, trail run. Don't mind if we do, mate. Don't mind if we do.
Same idea, eh?
Oh, I see what's happened here. I'll see what happened there. I'll stick in the brooks, lads.
Money not happening to me, it's happening for me. The cycle's never ending, that's why now I befriend it. What you leave at nighttime will come find you in the sunrise. Mornings matter to me, and even when it's miserable, thankful for the day to come. Oh, oh, oh. And even when it's miserable, thankful for the day to come. I think the morning matters. I think the morning matters.
Yeah, we'll just go straight.
I think the morning matters to me, to me.
Let me give you a proper welcome back to the video, because yesterday's trail run was a bit hectic. As much as it was amazing, I love trail running. It is Wednesday now, run club night. As you can see, sat out in nature on the camping chair. But yeah, exciting week ahead. I'm looking forward to it. As a run club, it's nice to see everyone come together, everyone smash their goals, and everyone put their training sort of to work in front of their friends and family. It's just so good, especially coming off the back of London. That is just such a boost of motivation and inspiration to us. It's class. I feel like I subconsciously have tried spending more time outside recently, tried enjoying nature, shall I say, and just stepping away from everything. Busy few weeks have gone by, and a busy few weeks to come, but for my own head, it feels like these quiet times to chill and be by myself, if I make space for those, then I'm happier in the rest of whatever's going on. If it's work, if it's social stuff, if it's running stuff or business stuff, it chills me out a little bit more. So I hope you enjoy these videos. I'm going to stick at it and keep trying to make them better each week, as a challenge to myself and as something that I've always wanted to do. I'm also going to film more videos in the podcast style, but even like in places like this, just grabbing the mic and the camera and heading out and talking about a topic that has gone on in my life, because people seem to want me to do a podcast, but I don't want to just do a studio Spotify type podcast. I might post it on Spotify, but I enjoy this, talking to the camera as if it's a friend, and maybe getting some friends involved. But yeah, I've got about an hour until run club, but I'm just going to chill, enjoy that silence, or just the birds. Don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, and then crack on. So nice running around here. I'll put some clips in here, take your DJI with me. I hope you're having a fantastic week. I hope you're enjoying the video, and I hope I can make this interesting. Cheers.
Just what you wanted, so don't leave me drowning. Don't let me down. Don't hold it's over, no time. Don't wanna waste a feel like we can make it real. Don't wanna wait when you could be loving me. Silence, too busy reading minds. Already made it here. Don't overthink when you could be loving me.
Good morning, and it is a lovely morning. Just been for 7k with JP, a lovely little run, and then grabbed a coffee. I need to pick this camera up earlier. I have done my whole morning, woke up, filmed a TikTok, journaled, stretched, and I haven't picked up the camera, but I'm about to head to Almond Thief. We are going to film a video for our shakeout, which is going to be on Saturday. But yeah, I got a good idea. Maybe I'll insert some of that on here. But I've just been struggling to pick up the camera. I've been pretty busy rushing around doing stuff this week, and it's now Thursday. But tomorrow I got work, and then in the evening, heading over the boys for a massage with Keno. I think we're going to grab some food as well. And then a weekend full of running, which is the bulk of what this video is going to be. Which always seems like this is just all running stuff. I've just been for a run, I filmed last night running. But it's what it is. That's what my life is consistent of right now. It is fun. I'm enjoying it, but I want to share some other stuff, so I've got to figure out a way to do that. I'm going to go enjoy some sun, some coffee, and I'll catch you in a bit. Have a bloody lovely day. I imagine you're watching this in one go, so yeah. I hope you've had a nice day. I hope you continue to. See you in a minute. Just filmed a quick little reel for Insta to show the shakeout. This is the gap. Sick. Coffees are unreal as well. That's what I'd call a proper coffee. Yeah. Got it sorted. I'll show you in this video now. I don't know if I even need to say anything about this really. Trying to do more of this, consciously spending time not just by myself but away from things, giving me space to just sit and stare at something that is not productive. It's not in the modern way making me better at anything. Just sitting and enjoying a view or enjoying like a simple task, anything like that. It seems to have helped so many areas in my life. I don't know why, I don't know the science behind that. I guess it just calms the soul, it calms the mind. Because how can you sit and look at this? Come on. Unbeatable. We don't use this enough. People that live here, this is just good for us. sun's out over there. Sun's setting over there. Just unbelievably good for us, unbelievably good for our nervous system, our heads, our bodies. Jesus, how lucky are we? Jesus, that's bright. Sunshine. It is gonna be a good day. Let's get downstairs. Right, I guess the point of this is to actually show you stuff and what I'm doing. Because at the minute I'm just filming random crap and activities, but this is my full weekend. Plymouth Half weekend, may I add. I always start with my morning coffee. It's been Mum's birthday. It was Mum's birthday yesterday, so all of her lovely cards. Lovely balloon. Right, I guess you can just watch me. Do nothing. These coffee pods from Lidl genuinely make the best flat white. Maybe not the best, but better than most coffee shops. Decent bit of honey in there. There we go. Cheers, then. Then, once coffee's made, I always journal every morning that I can. It's not that strict. If I miss one, I'm not going to cry. But I've done it every day for a while. And I ain't going to show you what I write, so. Right, that's it for journaling this morning. I just write a few things that are in my head to start with, just random stuff, some stuff I want to tell myself today, some stuff I would tell one of my mates today if they needed some help, some motivation, some confidence, a kick up the bum, whatever it is that I need in that day, or I have needed the day before. I give myself that, and then I have a few things I write every day. Things I'm grateful for, things I do, things I want to become, stuff like that. But now next in my morning routine is making a TikTok. Something that allows me to keep making them all the time. And don't get me wrong, I still think in days when I haven't got an idea, I'm like, I don't know what to say, but I don't force it. And I have a very, very, very long list in my notes of ideas and things I think and things I've learned, things I need to talk about. So they're literally just a title. Today's, or this morning's, is What You Want Exists. And as random as that sounds, I woke up at 3 a.m. this morning, couldn't sleep for a little bit afterwards, and I was just thinking in my head, thinking, you know, it's like when you wake up, you don't really know what's going on, but I must have obviously thought about that. Woke up, wrote it down, and now I'm just going to talk about it for a minute. Maybe I'll show you in this video, but maybe I won't. There she is, finished. Right, let's get the hell. Maybe show you me instead. Just the table. Let's go and get. Look at that sun. Okay, let's go and get ready. You're not going to see that. No one needs to see that. But you will see me when I'm ready. Nearly finished getting ready, but I've got to show you one thing about the boys. Jesus, what my hair's doing. One thing about the boys, we'll always cut the bottom off a t-shirt. I have to give Kingy his flowers for that. He brought that in. Messed around with you can't even see it, to be fair, but you might be able to see the outline of the A there. Kind of. But messed around with some sun fading. You get back to the drawing board on that one, but yeah. Right, let's get out of here.
Just what you wanted. So don't leave me drowning. Don't let me down. Don't hold it back like that. Just pull me closer, baby. Let's make the most of this before it's over.
See you in a bit, brother. I am just editing this video now. which is always a bit weird to me in my head how this works, but I'm just sitting down to get this video finished. And obviously yesterday, Sunday, was Plymouth Half Marathon, and I wanted to film so much. Me and Harry had the best race, not time wise but vibes wise. It was just the best. We high-fived everyone, cheered for everyone, grabbed all the sweets, all of that, but it was raining the whole time, and we both took our phones to film as much as we could, but I'm talking like torrential, basically stood in the shower rain the whole time until about 17-18k, where I got one video which I'll show you now. But yeah, I might show you some photos at the end of this, but unfortunately didn't get much content at all because of the rain, and didn't want to get my phone out and your screen doesn't work properly. So I had the best time. Like, I've not smiled that much whilst running in my life. It was just unreal, but I didn't get any of it on video, so hopefully I can show you some of the photos. I've got a few that I'll flash over, but I also need to get this video edited now. I've got not long to get it done, so I'll get this clip off the camera, get it edited and get it uploaded, because I want to make a video every week, post every Monday, and then yeah, go from there. So I had the best week. It was so good. I'm glad that everything went the way it did. The shakeout was so good, the half was so good. We all went for drinks and stuff afterwards that I will put a montage of some, I'll just put like some clips, like a PowerPoint basically of all the photos quickly. But yeah, really, really, really good weekend. Just so grateful for everyone and everything, and the fact that this is where we get to live and these are the things we get to do. Amazing. But I hope you enjoyed the video. It's now the new week. I'm going to Manchester this weekend for the Great Manchester Run with Brooks. That's going to be pretty cool too. My first brand trip. Things are looking good. Things are looking positive, as always. Yeah, I hope you have a great week. I really do. I hope good things happen to you, and a few dreams come true for all of us. I'll see you in the next one. Love you.